Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever dreamed of redesigning your space but didn't know where to start? Today, we're diving into one of the most essential steps in any design project, creating a floor plan. Whether you're revamping a room or planning your dream home, drawing a floor plan can help you visualize, communicate, and execute your ideas effectively. Let's get started. Before we start, let's talk about why floor plans are so important. A good floor plan helps you visualize the layout, plan efficiently, communicate your ideas, and avoid costly mistakes. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's look at how to create a floor plan using software. Tools like Foyr Neo make it easy to create professional floor plans. Select a beginner-friendly software. Foyr Neo is excellent for both beginners and professionals with its intuitive interface. Grab your measuring tape, note dimensions of your space, and make a rough sketch to reference. Launch your chosen software, set the scale, and you're ready to begin. Begin by drawing your exterior walls, then move on to the interior walls to define rooms. Insert doors and windows in the correct locations, making sure door swings are accurate. Add architectural elements like built-ins or staircases. This is where you start to see your space come together. Use Foyr Neo's library to add furniture and customize the sizes to match your actual pieces. Check the accuracy, save your work, and export if needed. With Foyr Neo, you can even view the design in 3D to get a realistic view of your space. If you prefer a hands-on approach, here's how to create a floor plan manually. Graph paper, pencil, ruler, and a measuring tape are essential. Use graph paper to keep your lines straight and to scale. Start with the room dimensions, then choose a scale that fits on your paper. Draw your walls, then add doors and windows in their correct spots, including any fixed elements. Label each room and write down measurements so everything is clear and easy to follow. Once your floor plan is drawn, it's time to review it. Look for the flow and functionality. Does it make sense for the people using the space? Take note of natural light and furniture arrangement to ensure the layout meets your needs. For those looking to simplify the process, Foyr Neo offers an all-in-one solution. You get an easy interface, an extensive three-dimensional library, and a cloud-based setup so you can work from anywhere. Perfect for busy designers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're creating your floor plan manually or digitally, the process is both rewarding and essential. And with Foyr Neo, it's even easier to visualize and perfect your design. Ready to create your own floor plan? Try Foyr Neo today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link below to start your design journey with Foyr Neo. See you next time.